Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a coin or a trading pair from your favorite list on BitMart. Managing your favorite list on BitMart helps you stay organized and keep track of trading pairs you care about most. First of all, launch open the BitMart application on your mobile, or you may also visit the bitmart.com website and log in. From the home page, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Markets. From the Markets tab, you'll see your favorite list at the top. It'll open up right after you tap on Markets. Now, from the menu that appears on the screen, select one of your coins you want to remove from the favorite list. Now, this will open up the chart page. Go to the top right corner and tap on the star icon right at the top right, and once you do that, you'll be able to remove the trading pair from favorite list. The icon will turn from filled to empty, indicating it has been removed. Now, return to the Favorites tab to verify that the coin has been successfully removed from the favorite list. Removing coins from your favorite list on BitMart is quick and simple. Regularly updating your favorites ensures your trading dashboard stays clean and only shows the coin you actively monitor. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.